Hello, today I will be showing you how to change out your rebuild kit and your Lifeline air pump unit. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and take out these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pop the top off. Alright, once the head of the unit is completely off, you will see what is underneath the pump. From here, to switch out the rebuild kit, we're going to need to take out 4 screws on each side. So you'll see 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 here. And then if I was to reverse the pump, you're going to see the exact same on the other side. There are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we need to go ahead and unscrew all of those. Alright, once we've got these 4 out, we can go ahead and pull this off. You're going to notice it's going to be locked in by some rubber feet down here. Just simply go ahead and pull those away from it. And then this whole part will end up just pulling out. Now we can see the rebuild kit, or the outer layer of it. So what we'll need to do is go ahead and take out this middle piece right here. So take your tool and go ahead and unscrew that piece. And now we can get to the actual rebuild kit itself. Okay, so now we got the front piece off here. So only thing we need to do is actually get the rebuild kit put back together. So for these steps, you'll need to just put it in this order. So this inside with the lines will need to face inwards. So you'll have the piece just like this. Next will be this Teflon piece with the cutout already inserted. We're gonna go ahead and match those up. You'll notice that on this white piece that I'm holding, that they already have the notches cut out. Now once we do that, we can go ahead and put this black rubber gasket on. You'll notice it also has those same notches. So we'll just go ahead and line those directly up with the unit. And then once you do that, you'll notice that the diaphragm itself will just snap on. From that point, we'll just go ahead and insert our other Teflon piece directly on the front. And then the other flat piece, you want to make sure that you just have the flat end facing the end of the unit. So the complete diaphragm kit will look like that. And then you'll just screw on the unit like it's held in here and be good to go.